Hey gang, welcome back to Opaw's Diecast Restoration. Before we get started, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Today we're doing what's labeled as a 1975 Hot Wheels Amazing Spider-Man car. From what I've seen and read, it's kind of a rare bird. This one was well play worn, missing about 20%, 30% of its paint, and had been repainted blue. As usual, we start by drilling out the post. This one had one rivet cap or post, whatever you want to call it. Back was held on by a little slot that the rear of the car, or the rear of the base latched into. My little screwdriver here and just pry it up. There she is. Wanted to keep it original, so I knew I was going to have to do something with those tires, clean them up. File down the post a little bit so when I put it back together it goes back nicely. Like so. You could tell somebody had repainted it because all the original pictures I saw of it, it was black, plus the blue they had used on this one, they got on the windscreen and inside the car, kind of puddled up. Get our primer on. I gotta apologize now, gang. I lost a little footage for some reason, so I don't have the footage of me painting it. Here I am, I'm cleaning the windscreen and the tires. Again, I lost the footage of me re-chroming the wheels. As I said earlier, I wanted to keep it all original. if our windscreen, which was in really good condition. I polished it up a little bit, but it really didn't need it. Dipping it here in our pledge. Like I've said before, it's not really hard to do these cars. You just got to pay attention to the details. Make sure you dab it off after you put it in the pledge. And then make sure you cover it and keep the dust off of it. Here's what we started with. Well play worn, paint missing off about 30% of it. Somebody had repainted it blue. You can see some of the paint on the windshield. This is what we ended up with. Got the decals back on it, courtesy of Ian at Black Square Decals in the UK. Got it painted back to its original black color. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. For now, this is Opaw and Spiderman saying goodbye.